Have you ever wondered, what if our universe isn't the only one? What if everything we know, stars, galaxies, even space and time, is just one part of something much bigger? This is the idea behind the multiverse. It may sound like science fiction, but it is actually a serious concept in modern physics. Let's explore what it really means. It has been proven in quantum mechanics that particles can exist in many states at the same time, until they're observed. One interpretation, called the many worlds interpretation, says that every possible outcome of a quantum event actually happens in a separate universe. That means every choice, every roll of a dice, every random event, creates a new reality. In one universe, you're watching this video. In another, you're not. This leads to a mind-bending picture, infinite versions of you, living infinite lives. But quantum physics isn't the only reason scientists think about the multiverse. Let's go back to the very beginning, the Big Bang. Our universe began with a rapid expansion called cosmic inflation. Some theories say this inflation didn't stop everywhere at once. Instead, it continues in some regions, creating new bubble universes over and over again. Each bubble could be a separate universe, with its own laws of physics. This idea proposed by Alan Guth in 1980 is called the inflationary multiverse, by which he sought to answer the question that had intrigued him for years, which is the following. At the very moment of the Big Bang, what exactly banged? Before going any further into this theory, I just want to share my opinion. I don't believe that anything can come from nothing. There must be an external cause, in other words, God. His theory suggests that right after the Big Bang, the universe expanded extremely rapidly in a fraction of a second. This inflation never completely stops. It continues in different regions of space, creating multiple bubble universes, each possibly with different physical laws, a concept known as the cosmic inflation. And there's more. In string theory, the building blocks of reality aren't particles, but tiny vibrating strings. String theory suggests there are extra dimensions beyond the ones we see, maybe 10 or even 11. This creates a vast landscape of possible universes, each with different physical constants. Some could be completely alien. Some might not even have atoms or light. But if we can't see these other universes, how do we know they exist? We don't, not for sure. The multiverse is still a hypothesis, but it's one that helps solve real puzzles in physics. For example, why are the laws of our universe so perfectly suited for life? If there are countless universes, each with different laws, then we just happen to be in one where life is possible. It's not magic, it's statistics. Though this is a beautiful reasoning, it can suggest but could never prove anything. Still, not everyone agrees. There are respected physicists who believe multivers to be true. On the other hand, some physicists argue that if we can't test the multiverse, it might not be science at all. Others say it's a natural consequence of theories we already use, and ignoring it would be like ignoring the evidence. One thing's for sure, the multiverse idea stretches the limits of our imagination. It forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Are we just one universe among billions? Is there another you out there, living a different life? Or is our universe truly unique? We don't have all the answers yet. But asking these questions is what science is all about. The journey to understand the universe might just show us there are many. And that's a possibility worth exploring. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe below for more videos like this.